Welcome to my heartfelt food. This recipe that I'm sharing with you today is a very flavorful, cheesy and a very delicious Italian dish, lasagna. A special thanks to Chef Nandakumar sir for sharing this authentic recipe with us. Now let's get started. In a pan, take about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To this add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, followed by half a cup of chopped onions. Fry this well until the onions are cooked. Now we are going to add about 1 kg of minced meat. We are using beef here. You can also use minced lamb or minced mutton. Add salt as required, and we are going to cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes until the meat is nice and tender. Add water if required and keep checking the meat in between until it's nice and tender. This point it is almost done. We are adding about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and mix this well. And then add 2 cups of tomato concasse or tomato puree, and then cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now the bolognese sauce is ready. Let's keep that aside and we'll prepare the white sauce. Take about 50 grams of butter in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, and then add 50 grams of all-purpose flour. Keep stirring this so that there are no lumps. Now add 500 ml of fresh cream which is warmed a little bit, and add this little by little and keep stirring it so that there are no lumps and you have a very smooth white sauce. At this point add about 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 bay leaf, and salt for the sauce. And finally add about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder for the white sauce. Cook this for another 5 to 10 minutes and let this cool completely. Once the sauce is cooled down, run it through a sieve to remove away all the lumps, and you have a nice and smooth white sauce. Now let's start the layering. In a baking tray, first add white sauce followed by the pasta sheets and then the meat mix. Repeat the process until it is done. Now this is the final layer. And finally add about 250 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and bake this in a preheated oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And once it's done, remove the pan from the oven and let this cool down for another 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can cut and serve. That looks delicious, right? So if you're fond of Italian flavors, please do give this recipe a try and leave your comments below. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.